Hi guys, it's Mrs. Holbrook, and today we're starting a new unit. Unit 13, Unlucky 13, but it's lucky for you because it's a very quiet unit. We're going to be learning about silent letters. Some of these aren't going to be new to you. You read them and write them all the time, but we're going to fine tune it and learn some of the rules around them. All right, so before we jump into our new learning, let's look at a couple of our vowel teams to warm up. We'll do the first two rows. Repeat after me. AI bait A. AY play A. EIGH 8A. EI vein A. Yay steak A. Now for the E's. EE jeep E. EY key E. IE piece E. EI ceiling E. EA EE. And the oddball EA bread E. Okay, fantastic job. So I want to teach you about some sounds that you know and some sounds that are a little bit of a review. Here we go. Notice that, guys. There's only 2 units left in Foundations, 13 and 14, and then you have all your cursive letters to keep working on. So here we go. Let's look at this little letter right here. So you already know CH says ch, and the key word for that is CH, chin, ch. You learned that way back in 1st grade, but today you are going to learn that CH also makes another sound. So see all these kids singing here? They're in a group called a chorus. Have any of you ever done chorus? It's when a group of people sing a song together. So chorus starts with CH. So this is another sound. Whenever we do our sounds, we would now say CH chin ch, CH chorus k, right? It sounds like a k. It sounds like that K sound in the beginning, even though it's CH. All right. So I am going to show you some words and you're going to name if they start with CH. Okay. The first word is chemical. Let me see the syllables. Chemical. I hear 3 syllables, so I'm going to put my frames up here. Chemical. All right. So here is how it's spelled. Hey, let me type in here. What are you doing? All right, it's not being nice. Let me type it a different way. Okay, here's the word. What's the first syllable? It's not chem, it's chem. Call. Chemical. So what makes the k sound? The ch, like chorus. Very good. Okay, I want you to decode this word for me. All right, what does this say? Echo. It's not echo, it's an echo, echo, like my little friend, baby echo. So what does the ch say in this word? It says k. That's right. Let's look at another one. Ooh, this is a good one. We use this word all the time. What does this say? Character. Very good. And what does the ch sound say in character? It says k, just like in chorus. That's our new learning for today. Okay, so I want you to grab your student notebook, and I know it sometimes seems babyish to color things, but it shows that our brain learns things when we take time writing it and coloring it. So have a little fun and treat yourself to some relaxing coloring today by going in the sound section, which is in the very beginning, and finding the CH sound that is going to be in need of some color. Really a coloring page, but I would get a color if I were you. And if you look on page 18, it's the spelling option page, because you're going to be learning when it's CH for k and when it's CH for ch. So if you look right here, there's the sound k, and it talks about cat, kite, sock, and chorus. So you can kind of like highlight the chorus and highlight the K. And if you want to, if you like to be artistic, On the very first page where you have your all your ABCs, where the K is, underneath it you could also write CH to remember that the CH makes that sound. Those are kind of optional. Okay, and once you've done that, we have some new sound-alike words today. Okay, let me show you. All right, read this word with me. New. And how do we spell it? K-N-E-W. K-N is how the word knowledge starts. So this kind of new is like, I knew it. I had the knowledge. And the K is silent, isn't it? It just sounds like new. So we're going to have to remember that the K is knowledge. Okay, let's take a look. Now here's the other new. It's the same, but no K. This is when something is brand new. And they both have EW for ew, chew, ooh. Okay. And then we do have another pair today. We have night and night. Take a look. This night has a K in the beginning that's silent. And this is like a knight, like a man who's in a noble family and he wears all that armor to go into battle. That's that kind of knight. Versus this one without a K, which one's this? Opposite of day. The sky is dark and it is nighttime. So I am going to type in these definitions for you, and you need to go into the sound-alike section in the back and find the words. You know the sound-alikes, right? They look like this in the back. Find each word and write in the definition. And then we will be playing a little bit of game with them and practicing them. Okay, so here we go. First, why don't you go to the word new, page new with the K, and type in something you already are aware of. So something you already know. Like if I said, maybe everything I taught you today, you said, I already knew that. I say, sorry, some people didn't. All right, after you do that, you can enter this new. Something that has never been used. Like, well, these slippers are not new. I wear them every day. But I have some new sneakers upstairs. Okay, so pause until you have those entered, and here's your next word. Knight. This is the knight that is a man born into a noble family serving in a battle. And let's see if I can find a picture of a knight. Let's see what Google has in their images. I'm going to go to Insert Image, search the web. I'm sure you guys have done this in your STEAM classes. And I'll type in knight with a K. And here we go. A knight in shining armor. There's my knight. Okay, I'm going to delete it though so you can see all the definitions. And here's my other knight without the K. And we know opposite of day, but the definition we'll write is the time of day when the sky is dark. So now if I search that kind of night, let's see what kind of pictures we get. Ooh, beautiful nighttime. Okay. So let me make sure you can see all those sentences and that beautiful nighttime photo in the water. Once you have, pause until you have all of those in, and then I just want you to get your whiteboard out and we're going to play some games. Okay, here we go. I will say a sentence and you tell me which one. You have all the definitions right here to help you. Here's your first sentence. I know that owls are nocturnal, so they stay awake at night. Write on your whiteboard, which night is that? This one. Let's spell it together. N-I-G-H-T. What? All right, cool. Let's do another one. I knew you were smart, but I didn't know you were that smart. Which knew is that? I knew you were smart. I knew it, knew it, knew it. Okay, let's spell it together. K-N-E-W. All right, let's do this one. I want to buy some new video games. Write on your whiteboard, which new is that? Okay, let's spell it together. N-E-W. And last one. You would make a great knight. You are brave. Which knight is that? All right, let's spell it together. K-N-I-G-H-T. Fantastic job. Can't wait to see you next time for some more silent letter work.